Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. This is project number 11, just about 4 lines of code, and it's very simple and funny. Even a small kids can do it. How do we convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? It's very simple, though it looks complex, but it's very simple, guys. Let me just share the IDE, and it's just about 6 lines of code, including the print and the space. It's actually 4 lines of code. Well, all right, let me run this code and see what output. There you go. You get 25.5555, and that is how the output you get. You can modify this code converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit and temperatures and stuff. All you need to do is within this define function and then print the output. It's as simple as that, guys. All right. You can start actually building your own code based on this 4 5 lines. So I'm giving you a heads up. Start building your own codes, and you will certainly practice and master upon that. I'll be back soon in more and more advanced level of projects. Goodbye, guys. See you.